बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। Dear students, before starting exercise 1.3, there are some important proofs. First, we will deal these proofs on page number 23, 1.5.5. Limit x tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 over n whole power n is equal to e. So first of all we will deal this proof. This is very important, repeated many times in board. Limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 over n whole power n is equal to e. Consider left hand side, 1 plus 1 over n whole power n is equal to, now apply binomial theorem. You have learned about binomial series, binomial theorem in first year. First term is 1 as it is plus power n written here, and second term 1 over n plus power n written here, and after power there is n. Now n is as it is, and now n minus 1 over 2 factorial, and side by side in this term 1 over n, and in next term 1 over n square, and plus in next term n minus 1 as it is, while n minus 2 there is addition of n minus 2 over 3 factorial, in last term 1 over n square, while in this term 1 over n cube, plus in next term n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 over 4 factorial, 1 over n raised to power 4, plus so on. Okay, this is the binomial theorem. I am repeating again, listen me. You have taken left hand side 1 plus 1 over n whole power n. You have to prove it equal to e. Now apply binomial theorem on this term. This is the series of binomial expansion. This is the method to apply binomial theorem on any given term. So you have applied binomial theorem here, 1 as it is, while in second term n in numerator and n in denominator cancel out, left behind 1, while in next term n into n minus 1 over 2 factorial as it is, 1 over n whole square can be written as 1 over n square. As you know, square of 1 is equal to 1, plus, okay, as it is, in next term n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 over 3 factorial as it is written here, while 1 over n whole cube is written as 1 over n cube. This is n, 1 over n cube, plus so on, right? So now 1 plus 1 2, I have added both 1 plus 1 2. Now be attentive, take n common from this term, that is include in bracket. When you have taken n common from n minus 1, there is already 1 n outside the bracket. जो n आपने कॉमन लिया है वो इस आउटसाइड वाले n से मल्टीप्लाई होगा एंड बिकम्स n स्क्वायर. n स्क्वायर आपके बाहर है, ठीक है जी. और ब्रैकेट के अंदर व्हाट्स लेफ्ट बिहाइंड इन n 1 and minus 1 over n. When you have taken n common from this bracket term, you have n square in outside, and within the bracket 1 minus 1 over n over 2 factorial. You know very well how you can take n common. Okay, 1 over n square as it is, while in next term again take n common from n minus 1 from this bracket and from this second bracket. n is already outside the bracket. When you have taken n common from this bracket, it becomes n square, and when you take n common from this second bracket, this n square becomes n cube. I am repeating, there is no addition sign. Okay, they are written in multiplication form. यहाँ से भी n कॉमन लें, यहाँ से भी n कॉमन लें, and n is already present here. एक n यहाँ से कॉमन लिए n स्क्वायर, एक n यहाँ से कॉमन लिए n क्यूब. So you have n cube, and the left behind terms 1 minus 1 over n, and in second bracket 1 minus 2 over n over 3 factorial as it is, and 1 over n cube, plus so on, right? 2 as it is, while there is n square in denominator and n square in numerator cancel out. In next term n cube in numerator and n cube in denominator cancel out, and now the left behind 2 plus 1 minus 1 over n over 2 factorial, plus 1 minus 1 over n into 1 minus 2 over n over 3 factorial plus so on. What we are going to calculate, our requirement is to prove limit n approaches to infinity 1 plus 1 over n whole power n is equal to e. To prove this one, now applying limits on both sides. What is the limit here? N tends to infinity. This variable tends to infinity. So now apply limits on both sides. On this side 1 plus 1 over n whole power n, limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 over n whole power n is equal to limit n tends to infinity, and this term is written here as it is. After applying limit 2 plus 1 minus 1 over n, 1 over infinity, when you put in infinity in place of n, 1 minus 1 over infinity, 1 minus 1 over infinity, 1 minus 2 over infinity. So now your next step is 2 plus 1 minus 1 over infinity plus 1 minus 1 over infinity into 1 minus 2 over infinity over 3 factorial plus so on. As you know, something over infinity is equal to 0. So this becomes 0, 0, and this is also 0. Your next step is 2 as it is, 1 over infinity 0, only 1 over 2 factorial plus 1 over infinity 0, 1 minus 2 over infinity also 0, so it left behind only 1 over 3 factorial plus in next terms 1 over 4 factorial plus 1 over 5 factorial plus 1 over 6 factorial and so on. So it becomes as 2 plus 0.718281, and this is the value of E. This is the value of E. This value is given in your second year book on page number 97 as 1 plus 1, 1 over 2 factorial plus 1 over 3 factorial plus 1 over 4 factorial and so on. This is equal to a value of E. This is given in your second year book on page number 97. अब बच्चों हम प्रूव कर चुके हैं, वी हैव प्रूव्ड दैट लिमिट n अप्रोचेस टू इन्फिनिटी 1 प्लस 1 ओवर n होल पर n इज इक्वल टू ई. हमने ये प्रूव कर लिया. अब हमें इससे डिड्यूस्ड क्या हुआ है, हमने क्या डिडक्शन इससे ली है, ठीक है, हमारा क्या कंक्लूजन इससे निकला है. अब ध्यान से देखना है आप लोगों ने. लिमिट दिस वेरिएबल, दिस सपोज देयर इज वेरिएबल n अप्रोचेस टू इन्फिनिटी. व्हेन एनी वेरिएबल अप्रोचेस टू इन्फिनिटी 1 प्लस 1 ओवर n, ये जो n वेरिएबल है इसका रेसिप्रोकल, इसका उलट इसकी पावर में मौजूद है. ओके, जब आपके पास कोई वेरिएबल हो और उसका रेसिप्रोकल पावर में हो तो, और जो वो वेरिएबल है वो इन्फिनिटी को अप्रोच कर रहा हो, फिर वो इसके इक्वल होता है, ई के इक्वल होता है. अगेन लिसन टू मी. लिमिट n अप्रोचेस टू इन्फिनिटी, देयर इज अ वेरिएबल दैट इज अप्रोचिंग टू इन्फिनिटी while this variable is present in denominator while its reciprocal is present in its power. सो सच टाइप ऑफ टर्म इज इक्वल टू ई. तो किसके इक्वल होगा, ई के. तो इससे हमने क्या डिडक्शन हमारी क्या है, कि हमने इससे क्या कंक्लूड किया है, अब हम उसको डिस्कस करते हैं. वी हैव प्रूव्ड दिस वन. आफ्टर प्रूविंग दिस वी हैव डिड्यूस्ड दैट एज वी हैव डिस्कस्ड लिमिट दिस वेरिएबल अप्रोचेस टू इन्फिनिटी 1 प्लस 1 ओवर n होल पावर n इज इक्वल टू ई. तो वी हैव डिड्यूस्ड दैट इफ देयर इज अ वेरिएबल दैट इज x अप्रोचेस टू 0 टेंस टू 0, 1 प्लस एक्स होल पर 1 ओवर एक्स. क्या डिफरेंस है यहाँ पर, यहाँ पे जो आपका वेरिएबल था वो डिनोमिनेटर में था और उसका रेसिप्रोकल उसकी पावर में है, बट देयर इज वेरिएबल इज इन नोमिनेटर एंड इट्स रेसिप्रोकल इज इन पावर. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू ई. अंडरस्टैंड. ये हमने इससे क्या है डिड्यूस किया है, ये हमारी डिडक्शन है.